Hey guys, just doing a brief tutorial on how to clasp a helmet. A lot of people have some troubles with these. So this is going to take a couple steps, so you will see some video mending together. But just to start off with some things you need: pen, the straight loop draw clasps, rivets. You'll need 6 of those. Your riveter, a Dremel tool or a drill with a 1/8 inch drill bit. You should use safety goggles, and you can get away with just a debris mask on this one. But if you do use a debris mask on this one, just make sure you pinch the nose up and it is a good seal around your nose and mouth. And obviously the kit you are working on. Okay, so you can see I've already attached one side of the clasp. What you do is line up where you want it. Go ahead, drill a hole, mark with the hole. There we go. Mark with the hole that you use. Drill the hole and use the riveter to put it in place. Always use the back part, the movable latch part first. Okay, so here we have the catch part of the straight loop draw catch, the clasp. Get it lined up to where you have it. Drill through where I have the black or blue pen marks. Doesn't matter what color pen you use, obviously. But what you want to do is get it to the right angle. You don't want it to be loose. You don't want it to be too far to where it will actually draw too close together and the top of the helmet draws apart. So you'll drill those two holes. There you have it. I went ahead and did both sides for video purpose. If you guys have any other questions, I know this was just a short, very brief tutorial, but you guys should just get the general gist of it.